Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I made over 3 very unique vases that I picked up from my local Goodwill. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For these projects, I'll be using this Champagne Gold Metallic Accents paint by Rust-Oleum. I added 3 coats of paint to my first vase, and once that paint was dry, I also added a coat of polyacrylic to protect my finish. To decorate my vase, I'll be using this garland that I picked up from Michael's during the after Christmas clearance sale. I will be attaching my garland to my vase with Gorilla Hot Glue. I continued adding my gold leaves until I was happy with my design. To complete the project, I used my crafting toothbrush to remove my glue strings, and here's the finished look. For this project, I'll be using generous amounts of Mod Podge to cover my vase with these seed beads that I purchased from Joann's. I continued adding my seed beads until my vase was completely covered. Once I was happy with my coverage, I allowed my vase to dry overnight, and then I sealed in my beads with 2 coats of Mod Podge sealant. To glam up my vase, I decided to add this beautiful ribbon that I picked up from Hobby Lobby on sale. For this project, I'll be using my butterfly hole punch that I picked up from Michael's and these mirror sheets that I picked up from Walmart.com. These mirror sheets are self-adhesive, so here I'm applying them directly to my vase. I've decided to add individual gemstone stickers from the Dollar Tree to the center of each of the butterflies. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.